there, how are you? Today we are going to be making a rhinoceros, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is make a soft rectangle with soft corners. The next thing we're going to do is make his ears. They're kind of smallish compared to his head. And then we are going to make his horn. So it's a point with a wide area at the bottom, almost like a teardrop shape. His eyes are very wide set, so make it right at the edge of your rectangle. And then if you'd like to put a small mouth, that would be cute. All right, for his body, we're going to make a U, upside down U, that goes all the way over his head and comes down the other side. Then we are going to make slanted lines coming down like this. And then we are going to make slanted lines coming down to meet those first slanted lines. Those are going to be his legs. Let's close up this area with his tummy. So a slanted line like that. Actually, it's a curved line, I should say. Now for his feet, we're going to make straight lines coming down on both sides and close up at the bottom, just like that. Now what we're going to do is make some toenails, and those are just upside down U's. I can fit 3. There you go. Whoops, forgot his tail. There you go. There's your rhinoceros. I hope you like him. Thank you for watching. Bye.